Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our Walmart Beauty Box. Now this is a seasonal box that we receive. The cost, $6.95, and actually that is just for the shipping. The items that are inside are free. Now, if you would like to try out this box for yourself, all the information is down below so that you will have an opportunity to have one shipped to you. I'm sure you'll like it, okay? So, this one is the Winter 2024 box. So, let's just dig in, see what's here. So, this one is called Winter Wonders. So we do get a description pamphlet included, and it gives us all of the information about each of the products that are inside. And if you would like to get the full size, if it is not a full size product that we have, it will tell you exactly what the cost involved would be. All right, so let's just go ahead and see what's here. Well, this is welcome. It says it's sleigh season. Like the play on words, it says we've curated a few go-tos to keep you feeling and looking your absolute best all winter long. Shop full sizes and get ingredient info at walmart.com/beautybox. So the very first item that we have is indeed a full-size product, okay? And this is by e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. Skin Sun Touchable Invisible Sunscreen. It is a 1.7 ounce size, and it says this lightweight sunscreen delivers broad spectrum protection and leaves a zero white cast on all skin tones. It's non-greasy, fragrance-free, and it's a gel formula, and it also doubles as a face primer. That in and of itself is amazing. This one is a clean beauty product. It is vegan and it is also cruelty free. So we're going to go ahead and open up the box so we can see exactly what it looks like. Now, as I stated, it is a full-size product. Now, anytime you see that, you know a little goes a long way. This is a 35 broad spectrum SPF. Sun protection plus blurring primer. Water resistant for up to 80 minutes. Now, let's see if it gives us a shelf. I was going to say if it gives us a shelf life, but it lets us know that this particular product expires September 2025. Now, you may think that's not giving us a lot of time, but you need sunscreen year round. So it's no need to say, I'll just wait till the summertime, although you can. And if you are out there in the sun a lot, surely it won't take you long to go through this type of product. Now, it says it is for everyday use. After the last step of your skincare routine and before makeup, apply evenly and generously 15 minutes prior to sun exposure. Reapply every 2 hours. And the Walmart price is $14. Alrighty, that's a good start. The next item that we have is a travel or sample size product. All right, and this one is the Bubble Slam Dunk Hydrating Moisturizer. Now, being that this one, as I told you, is a sample size, this is what it looks like. Okay, now the full size would be a 1.7 ounce size. This one is a 0.35 ounce size. And it says this one is definitely a hydrating moisturizer. Now, it also tells us to apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean, dry skin. Use morning and night for soft, hydrated skin. Now, if you were to purchase the full-size product, it would be $14 98 cents. Kind of curious to see if there is a scent. Let me, before I open it, let me just check for a shelf life. Now this one is not giving me one, probably because it is a sample or travel size product. So that's absolutely fine. I'm okay with that. So I'm just going to go ahead and squirt a little bit. Now, even though we usually do our swatches at the end, I just want to see. It doesn't necessarily have a scent, but it definitely is hydrating. I did put just a little dot on my on the back of my hand. Not bad. It's not giving me, we'll do it again. Okay. So it's not necessarily changing the texture. Well, that's not true. It definitely changed the texture on the skin. Look at that. So we can't be walking around looking crazy like this. We might as well do the other hand, right? Alrighty. Yes, it feels wonderful. That is for sure. But yeah, okay, it definitely does make a difference. I will tell you, it makes a difference. So it feels better. It's not sticky or tacky. See? It's just, I'm gathering that's a good thing though, that it doesn't necessarily have a fragrance to it. So it won't interfere with a fragrance that you may be wearing. The next item that we have is also a sample size or travel size product. Now, I'm pretty sure I have this one already. Well, I didn't keep it. I gave it to one of my G babies. Oh my gosh, this was open because it has absolutely dripped out. Let's see. I will tell you this is by Physicians Formula. And this one is the Butter Glow Bronzing Serum. Now, it says a full-size product would be a 1 ounce size. The one that we have is a 0.08 fluid ounce size. Now, according to this box, it says that this is a hypoallergenic product. It is paraben-free, clinically tested, and it is dermatologist tested, gluten-free, and it is a vegan product. And it does exactly what it says, which is to give you a little bronzing glow on your skin, okay? Now, with that being said, this one will wait till we're at the end, which is only 2 products away, and only because we may not have enough time for it to dry in between showing the product. Now, that one would also be $14.98 for the full size, which is the 1 ounce size. Now, the next item that we have is a shampoo and conditioner set. These are also travel sizes. And it says this is the Being Curl Power. And this one is the shampoo and conditioner. And it says a full size would be 12 ounces. These are 3.04 fluid ounce size on the shampoo as well as the conditioner. It says this is a curl defining shampoo and a curl defining conditioner. Now it says our Curl Power Curl Defining Shampoo contains hydrating coconut oil and grapeseed oil to detangle and soften. Curls are left feeling smooth and defined. No sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates, no silicones, cruelty-free, dermatologically tested, and it is pH balanced. Now, this one has a 12-month shelf life. Now, that one is on the shampoo. Now, this says it's for curls of all types from 3A to 3C. So that is not necessarily curls of all type, okay? They left some out. But nonetheless, that is what it says. Now, I do like the fact that it comes with tamper-proof tape on it, Okay, so you'll definitely know if it was messed with. All right, and in addition to that, it helps to keep your packaging closed to ensure that it does not spill out. Now, I have to tell you, because y'all know I checked, these are not completely full. They are 3/4 of the way full, but they are not completely full, just so you know. Okay, now, same things apply to the conditioner as they did with the shampoo, which is it contains hydrating coconut oil and grapeseed oil to soften and protect the hair. Curls are left feeling smooth and defined. Exact same as here. All right. Now, if you were to get the full size products, they would be $6.97 each. Okay, just so you know. How about that? Now, this box completely paid for itself from the very first item that we had, which was the sunscreen. All right, it more than covered it. Actually, the cost of the box twice. All right, because this is $14 and we can round up the $6.95 or 99 cents up to $7. So let's just go ahead and check out this bronzing. Now, I know you heard me say that it was open. Well, I didn't even have to put any on. You can see the bronzing effect on it. But if you look at the product itself, it is starting to dry around the top, which was not completely closed. All right, so we're just going to take a little bit. I'm going to put it on my hand so we can see what it's going to look like. And I'll make sure I put that back on tight. All right, so trust me, I don't need any bronzing, but I do like when it gives us a nice glowy look. So this is my hand. This is my hand with the bronzing on it. What do you think? It's not bad. It's not bad at all. All right. This is what I don't like. But you have to get it on your skin some kind of way. So using your hand to put it on, or I guess I could have used a brush or a beauty sponge. So either way, but I would tell you, you do still lose a lot of product when you do it that way. But nonetheless, just something for you to think about. So what do you think? Let me know your thoughts down below. Now they do share some information on the back of this card, and it says new beauty faves, and there are Milani products on here. There are nail products on here, as well as other physician formula products on here. I'm not mad at it. Even if I don't use this bronzing, everything else I can use without any issues at all. So I'm okay with that. How about you? Now, I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our winter Walmart beauty box. Now, these are the items that was included. Down below, the total manufacturer suggested retail price for full-size products, not the products that were included inside, except for the full-size e.l.f. product. Alrighty. Now, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share the information with me. If you've tried any of these products, let me know your thoughts. All right. Now, share this video. If you know someone who you think would like to check out some products at a very reasonable price, share the video with them. All right. And that way, they'll thank you, because it's products that they're receiving, even if it's for nothing else other than this. Now, most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.